Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Kelli. I'm super excited. It's Valentine's Day weekend and I have an amazing guest here with me today. Mike from Magic Mike Mixers is here and we are doing an amazing cocktail just in time for Valentine's Day week. So make sure you subscribe, that's right, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you follow us on social media, Cooking with Kelli, Nana's Chicken-N-Waffles, and we are gonna be making some amazing cocktails, so make sure you tune in. Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing episode of Cooking with Kelli, and I'm super excited. I have a special guest here, and many of you might know him from seeing him at the restaurant or seeing him on television or protecting some amazing celebrities, but most don't know that Mike is an amazing mixologist. And I mean, literally, he brought me a drink to work one day in a coffee cup, and by 9 a.m. I was like, out of here, okay? But he's so creative and so talented, and I look on his Instagram all the time and I'm like, Mike, I want one of those drinks, bring me something. So I can't wait to kind of get started with you because you've been doing some amazing things lately.
Well, thank you.
Absolutely, absolutely. So tell me, what are we doing today for Valentine's Day?
Today we have a very, very special drink. It's called Kelli-Tini.
Yes!
Is that correct?
Keltini.
Let's get started. This is going to be a fun drink. We're going to start out with 2 ounces of your Godiva chocolate.
All right, and what's this little thing?
That's 1 ounce. This is going to be 2. They have some measured ingredients.
This is 2 ounces inside. So for those who are not a mixologist, I believe you can get these at a liquor store, right?
Any liquor store.
I don't have this at my house.
Kroger's.
Okay. All right, here we go. So I'm doing 2 ounces,
2 ounces.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Godiva?
Godiva chocolate.
All right.
Liqueur.
All right. Kelli, the mixologist, is working here, guys.
So far, so good.
All right.
2 ounces of your half and half.
Okay, so I notice you have organic half and half. Can we do this with regular half and half, or?
Any half and half you have, be fine.
Any half and half?
Yeah.
How about a half and half that has, you know, vanilla or anything like that? Can we do that?
That may change the flavor slightly, but if that's all you have, go for it.
So I just need to stick with regular.
I would stick with regular. Next is going to be 1 ounce of your Chambord, which is going to be any guess?
What is it?
Raspberry liqueur.
Yes, absolutely. Nice. Okay.
That also is going to give it that pretty pink color.
Yes, who doesn't love a pink martini, right?
Very good.
You know, lemon drop martini is like, that's my signature drink.
That's not bad.
Not bad.
Not
Not
bad at
bad.
all.
No.
Next is going to be 2 ounces of your red velvet bellies.
Nice. Okay, is it like red velvet like at the restaurant, or is it better, or?
There's nothing better.
It's nothing better.
That's good.
Yes. You heard it. Nothing's better than Nana's red velvet waffle.
No. All right, now you're going to put the top on the tin.
Okay.
And you're going to shake.
This is the part that I'm like scared about, because I just feel like.
Let's test your skills.
All right, let's see. All right, is there a proper way to do this? Am I doing good?
Make it your way.
Make it my way?
So make sure the content.
I wish I could do it like the bartenders and, you know, and they're like.
You're doing it.
Okay, yeah, the drink will go flying everywhere, Mike. I don't want to disappoint you.
We're going to go with that. Now we're just going to get the glass.
My glass up? Okay, perfect. Is it always good to freeze the glass, or?
It's a good idea to freeze the glass to make sure it's nice and cold. And we're going to put some chocolate on it. We're going to sexify the glass, if you will.
Nice.
You're going to start from the bottom.
Sexy glass.
And work your way up. Nice, round, pretty circles.
Like a waffle, right?
Yes, make us look good.
Okay. I don't know if this looks like yours, but I'm trying. Is that too much?
That'll work.
That good? That's good?
All right, let's put it here.
All right.
Now we're going to put the contents in. Ladies and gentlemen.
All right.
Here's the magic.
Woo! Woo! Look at that! Oh my gosh! That's beautiful, Mike. Tell me when to stop.
Just keep going.
Oh, I don't. Look at that measurement. Okay.
There you have it.
Look at that.
Now we're going to take it a step further. We're going to garnish this guy here with.
Oh, our raspberries. Yes. And you froze these, right?
Nice and cold.
Nice and cold. That is beautiful.
And ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, your Keltini.
Keltini, y'all. Keltini. This is beautiful. Look at that, guys. All right.
Now, the ultimate test.
The ultimate test. Let's see. Oh my God.
Yes?
This is it, y'all. If you're not making this for your wives or girlfriends or significant others for Valentine's Day, I mean, I'm trying to help you out, okay? This is like the perfect drink for your Galtini, right? Because I think it's called a Galtini this year for Valentine's Day. You have like a Galentine's Day. That's what it's called, Galentine's Day. Oh my God. This is like the perfect drink for your Galentine's Day with you and your girlfriends. I feel like I should have a Galentine's Day. Ladies, come on over. We're gonna have a Galentine's Day at my house. Just like 4 of us, right? For a cute little brunch. But this is absolutely amazing. Mike, you did such a good job. I mean, seriously, this is great. Happy Valentine's Day weekend. I'm super duper excited. It's almost here, of course, the day of love, right? So what better way can you share with your significant other than to cook a beautiful dinner? And yes, we are still cooking on a budget. We are still trying to get our 2020 goals in order. So I'm super excited. We're gonna do a really fun pasta with some shrimp, some lobster. I found these cute, so amazing heart-shaped noodles that we're gonna use. Make sure you check into the website so you can see where I got these from. And let's get started. We are back. We're gonna go ahead and go with our first step. And of course, our first step is making sure we get our noodles on. So I have some water boiling. Of course, we lightly salted our water. I'm gonna go ahead and put our noodles in, all right? All right, we're gonna stir those occasionally. So we're gonna go ahead and get our seafood in the dish. So right now I have my pan on medium-low heat. I put a tablespoon of butter, salted butter of course, just a little pinch of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and season our seafood. We have a lobster tail and I butterfly that, and that's basically cutting the lobster down the center and pulling out the meat, okay? I have a little bit of Old Bay. You guys know I'm from Baltimore, so Old Bay is like one of my favorite seasonings to use, of course, on my seafood. And of course, just a little salt and pepper. I'm gonna Old Bay our shrimp down as well with our lobster tail. There we go. I think our lobster's ready to get placed in. Do 1 lobster tail for now. There we go. To get both meats cooking, I'm still gonna go ahead and add in our shrimp on the side. Those are gonna cook down as well. Make sure everything is seasoning appropriately, okay? Valentine's Day never looks so good, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, let that cook down. So while our shrimp and lobster are sauteing down, we're gonna go ahead and make our lemon Parmesan cream sauce. So, of course, you know I love butter. That's the South. We're gonna put a little bit of butter in here. Make sure you're following your directions, right? All right, we got a little butter going. Then we're gonna go ahead and add in our heavy cream. And this is on a medium heat, guys, medium heat. All right, and then we have our seafood base. We're gonna let that simmer, guys. Once that simmers down, I'm gonna go ahead and add in some Italian cheeses. Provolone, mozzarella, Parmesan. And I mean, our lobster tails are looking amazing, and so are our shrimp. Can you smell it? Can you smell this, guys? Oh my God, it's so good. It smells like Maryland in here in the kitchen. Yes. So excited. I'm thinking next YouTube, I probably should do a crab cake. I always get asked about Maryland style crab cakes, and I think that's what we're gonna do soon. How beautiful is this tail, guys? Look at that. Look at that. Once I pull her out, she's gonna be gorgeous. All right. Let's get ready for Valentine's Day. It's coming. And we're cooking up an amazing dish for our significant others. You can cook this for the kids. Valentine's Day, we usually never go out. I actually just cook for the entire family. We all have a good Valentine's Day together. I dress the table. All the kids eat. We have a beautiful dinner, lobster and shrimp, seafood, steak. You know, all of my kids eat something different, so it's always something different going on in my household. All right, guys, so our next step is we're gonna go ahead and add in our Italian cheeses. Sprinkle that in. Look at that, it's smelling so amazing. So good in here. Have some lemon. It wouldn't be lemon Parmesan cream sauce, right? You can also add some lemon zest in there as well. It's really good. I'll add the rest of the cheese in here. All right. Our noodles are ready and we are ready to plate. Let's go. We're back. It's so time to get our food plated. I'm excited. Look how cute our little heart-shaped pasta is. And it's pink. I mean, oh my God, it's so cute. My girls are gonna love this. All right, so our seafood is ready. Our lobster tails came out amazing. We butterflied those, you see that? Oh my God, it looks so good. It looks good. We're gonna put that straight in the center. All right, there we go. We have some shrimp. We'll plate those around. Put some more around here. Yes, yes, smells so good. I feel like I'm back at home, guys. So good. All right. Might as well stick one on top too, right? Add some of our lemons, our good lemons. Put them to our dish. Okay. And then let's check on our sauce. I think it's ready. It looks delicious. I'm gonna put some of that on top. Actually just drizzle it on top. Oh, woo! Ooh, that thing's good. All right, all we need is a garnish and we're all done. I have some fresh parsley I can throw on top. And voila! Valentine's Day dinner is ready. It looks amazing. It smells delicious. It's so much for so less. I mean, you can get a pack of lobster tails for $9.99, get a bag of shrimp, and of course you have these amazing cute heart-shaped pastas that I found, check the website, for less than $5, okay? Happy Valentine's Day, it's the day of love. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you comment, make sure you post, make sure you subscribe, make sure you ask me any questions, send me a DM, ask questions. Questions. I'm here to answer those for you. And I hope you guys enjoy. Bon appetit.